gotta wear gloves.
Oh, that's cute.
That is.
Are you ready? You gotta have your gloves on.
Just don't lean back. It'll do a wheelie on you.
Yeah, my legs are too long. Get them up on the Randy.
It's really hard.
Yeah, there you go. Move your helmet. Okay, put your
Watch out, Cruz.
Yeah.
It's so hard.
Mom, Randy's got you. Go.
Ah!
No, it's not. No, I got out of the bigger box. Now I know where Darlene gets it.
Go down the kitchen way so you got some room.
Let's go straight this way.
Mom, turn it around more.
Huh? Oh yeah, she's gonna go straight.
Are you just gonna go here?
Yeah.
Go!
Yeah.